Hey there, Christie here from Microsoft Clipchamp for Work. Discover how to quickly convert a portrait video into landscape in seconds without leaving your web browser. Keep watching to learn how. Once you're signed into Clipchamp for Work, the first step is to import the video you would like to convert. Click on the Import Media button, then select the asset from your Files or OneDrive account. Next, click on the Open button. Your video will load into the Your Media library. Next, to start video editing, drag and drop the video onto your timeline. You'll notice that the portrait video no longer fits in the original frame, and it will be framed with black bars or borders. This is called letterboxing, and the effect is added so no visuals are lost due to changing dimensions. You can either keep your video as is, or, to remove the black bars, click on the video on the timeline. It will be highlighted so you know it's selected. Then, navigate to the floating toolbar on the stage and select the fill option. Your video will then automatically adjust to a landscape aspect ratio. If you need to, adjust the positioning of the video by dragging it across the stage until you're happy with the placement. When you're ready to save and export, click on the Export button. Select a video quality and give your video a name and description. Your video will automatically save to your OneDrive account. To change the location, click on the Change Location button. Finally, click on the Export button to finish. And that's how you can convert a portrait video into landscape with Clipchamp for Work. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with our weekly For Work tutorials.